got a conscience left in there. You should do the world a favor and let us kill you.
No thanks.
I don't talk about it, I just spit it at the basic. You don't really wanna be the one to have to run, now turn and face it. You motherfucker really wanna be the one to follow, wait a minute, better step back. I'ma be the one to get a motherfucker jumping to the base, to the riff so quick, who that? Doing it though, now give me the bone, I'm taking the bone, when I pop off, then I fall flat. Little bit of back swag with a bass on back. I don't need that motherfucker, who man? Coming from the underground, they losing the sound. I'm trying to make my brothers proud, you know I'm doing it now. These other rappers can't compete, they fucking hate when they down. I came for nothing, now they just can't keep my name out their mouth. They don't really fuck with the ones like us, and they gon' see us as a threat, so we overcome. We tell them, boy, you out of luck, cause the clock has struck, and we gon' come to take the throne, man, your time is up.
So you've been living the good life with public safety?
It ain't all good. Have to put up with a nag and a brat. Now I'm kicking your ass. Fuck you, I'll praise me, I'll take for it.
I don't really fuck with the ones like them. Put them in a great bench, eat my dust, never gonna get away, bitch, where's my pen? Write it down, these lyrics, I'll make that hit the paper. My guns are safe for the time, but my God, the gods are my favor, cause I'm a Cowbell. Warring up when we ain't the same. You ain't spit this shit like this, I guess I drive them insane. Hey, put them in the motherfucker, with the motherfucker, with the brother, with the motherfucker that tried to test my team. I guess I need to let them freak. I'ma be what I be, stay the same until the D.I.D. I'm rest in peace, no one dead, now fucking back my team.
It's a good time to say holy smokes.